So how do you format on save in Visual Studio? So first you want to load up your Visual Studio project, and then you want to go to the Extensions tab from here, click on Manage Extensions, and then you want to look for an extension called Format on Save, and you should install the first one here, which is currently available for VS 2022. You can click on the Install button, and once it says cancel install, you can close your Visual Studio project to proceed with the installation, and then click on modify to install it and wait for it to finish the installation. And now all you need to do is open up your Visual Studio project again, and once your project loads up, all you need to do is click on tools here, and you should find a new menu option called format on save. You just click on it to toggle it on or off, and once it's selected like that, it means it's on. Now all you can do is press the save button and it should automatically format. So for example here I might have something like this. Click on save all and it automatically formats it back to the correct format and indentations. And we use that extension because it's not currently supported by default on Visual Studio. So that extension makes it possible. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.